Hey Andy, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you, first of all, for giving us a green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. I'll give you an understanding as to what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic onto your website. Also, this video will give you an understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of your company. Um, I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. And by the way, Andy, the reason we contacted your company was because we've noticed that in Bend, Oregon, there's a high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case, landscaping. Again, I'll be going over three categories, which are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. Andy, it's a great website. Nothing bad to say. Uh, Overall, a good website. The navigation is fairly simple. You have a good layout. The images are great. Um, all the links seems to be working just fine. Overall, a great website. Unfortunately, when you view this as a SEO standpoint, you don't have enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves the level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor wants 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, for this, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a good platform if you don't mind paying for it. It's a great way to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. And this is what you currently have. So it looks like you have 2 referring domains, overall 5 backlinks, no keywords, and no traffic, unfortunately. So the DR meter 0.3, the UR 0.1. You're going down in the rankings in a monthly basis, unfortunately. But this is where we come in, or this is where you jump in to improve on your website, right? Because you don't have anything going for you, let's start with the DR and the UR meter here. So the UR and the DR rating is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase it to are through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. And that could be something as simple as a clickable URL from another website that points onto your website. All right. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. It will give you an extra boost inside of Google when comparing to another website. So just keep that in mind. Again, you currently have 5 backlinks only. Unique backlinks, you only have 2, but connecting, all the backlinks, you're kind of getting 5. No traffic, unfortunately, but let's move on to one of your competitors here. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. As you can see, they only have 2 categories here as far as services. This is the homepage. All right, good video here. They do have a lot of content. You can see here. They've decided to just go with paragraph after paragraph, but that's completely fine as long as you have content and good keyword layout within the content. What they have going behind the scenes, let's see if they have anything else. Okay. Yeah, so this is pretty much it as far as the home page. Behind the scenes, they have 30 keywords as you can see here. In a monthly basis, they're receiving over 142 people jumping onto their website organically. Backlink 68 and overall 196. The DR meter 3 and the UR meter 8. They are increasing in the rankings as far as arrows in the platforms. They're in a steady course here, but this is nice to have. They can do better if they implement a little bit more of a strategy, but 30 keywords and 142 in a monthly basis, or I should say people are jumping onto their website. Excuse me. This is very important here, the keywords. Let's jump onto their list. This is what they have going. So one keyword is landscaping Bend, Oregon. Another keyword is Bend landscaping. These two keywords are good to have. For just this one keyword is 300 search volume. So in a monthly basis, 300 people are jumping onto Google, typing in this keyword here, and they are being found, your competitors here. Just imagine, let's say 300 plus 150 with 450 total. Let's say you have these two keywords and you implement a SEO strategy onto your website. Just imagine those 450 people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of optimizing your website, is to get more traffic. So if you follow this, you should be in good standings. Of course, it is a lot of work. You do have to follow a lot of protocol, but if you have the time, why not, right? Or you could reach out to us and we could help. Absolutely. Okay, Andy, this is what I have for you for now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. If you're not interested, let me know so I won't be sending you annoying follow-up emails. You get the idea. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Andy. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.